The race is going to start in 10 seconds right here. No one's down. Here the kids come. Look at that. Boy, they're running pretty big. Okay.
Yeah.
Big race.
Start off like that and then it'll be the fast one.
Big crowd.
Is this a good place to stay or do you?
Beautiful day too.